Hi, you guys. My name is Kentrell Drummond. I attend Kishwaukee College, and today I will give you a tour around our campus of the wonderful things that we have new and renovated. So imagine walking in these halls and it's just all white. Like, you're gonna get kind of drowsy, but now, pow, we got some green. Man, got some green. Light it up. Maybe you want to go to some basketball games, some softball games, some women's basketball, which we have now. We got like 3 different sports too: cross country, women's basketball, and I think I'm missing something. Soccer. Yeah, there we go. Everybody loves soccer. So we're at the lounge. You guys follow me to the lounge. That's awesome. So we're gonna come over here just a little bit. We're gonna tell you about this wonderful chair, these wonderful study areas. Like, when I walk past here, like, I don't have homework, but it makes me want to study. Like, nothing ever made me want to study, but this makes me want to study. Like, hold on, let me. Oh my, oh, it's bouncy. Everybody likes bouncy seats. Like, what? This is so comfortable. Yeah. I forgot about the outlets. Oh my gosh. I'm on my phone all day, so when I get to like my classes, this stuff will be dead. So I stop right here, plug my phone in the outlet, my laptop, and I'm good for the rest of the day. Oh, hey, how you doing? All right. Yeah, this is new. This is new. The farm to table green again, and then the black stuff. This is a nice touch. So this chair, honestly, probably one of the best chairs I ever sit in school. Keeps me active. Like, I can rock back and forth. Like, seats comfortable. And then instead of having a little desk now, we have like a big desk, so I can put all my work out here and look at it and try to do it sometimes if it's not really hard, and ask the teacher, can they come help me, and then they see everything. So I think this is a nice touch that the college has done. And the new feng shui that they have in here. So stay tuned for everything we have next. Like, we have some big renovations coming, and you're gonna see something amazing. I'm not gonna spoil it, but something amazing is gonna happen.